In this problem, you have to graph the inequalities and put a star on the coordinate plane to show one solution for the system of inequalities. I'm going to use my graphing calculator to help me with this. If yours is not already on graphing, you need to click on it. We need the expression. And if you're going to notice, this is y is greater than or equal to 5. We have y equals, I need to change this to greater than. This graphing calculator does not have greater than or equal to, but for our purposes, it will be fine just to have the greater than sign. Let's put in our other one. Our second one is y is less than or equal to, so we're going to use the less than sign. 2/3, I'm just going to put as 2 divided by 3, x plus 3. And we're going to go to graph. Now, if we look at our window here for the graph, you don't quite see the entire system, so I'm going to start by scrolling up and over. As you can see, we now see where our y is greater than or equal to 5 is shaded above, and our 2/3 x plus 3 is shaded down. And this right here shows me the solution for both equations. So this is where we would place our star. So I'm going to slide my calculator over as best I can to help me with this. So my y equals 5. To put my arrow, I need it to be at 5. For 2/3, I might actually close this out. Our 2/3 x plus 3. I know that this is in y equals mx plus b form, so 3 is my y-intercept. So I'm going to place a dot, a point at 3. And we know that we go up 2 over 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go over here, so we're going to go down 2 and over 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So it still follows the up 2 over 3 rule. Those are enough points that I can actually draw my line to make it more, just to make it helpful. So there. We now have our 2x, our 2/3 x is y is less than or equal to 2/3 x plus 3, and our y is greater than 5. If you remember, y is greater than 5 was shaded all up here. The 2/3 x was shaded down here. And now we need to place our star anywhere in this area between the two. To get full credit for this type of question, you have to have the inequalities graphed correctly, so the lines, and you have to have the star placed in the correct place on your coordinate plane.